Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at dictionary comprehension. We know list comprehension. Well, now let's take a peek at dictionary. So I don't want to type this out and bore you, and you have to listen to me chit chat while I'm talking. Oops, you probably can't see that. That should be good. So alright, just a list of students. Steve, John, Adam, Will. You can pause it to type those, or if you just want to keep watching. So we are going to do just create our curly brackets, and if you don't know what a dictionary is, stop here, go look at dictionary, and then come back. And this is going to be a short one line creating a dictionary. So alright, we're going to have, just like our loop, we're going to do the for loop inside and then come back for student. That's what we're going to call our variable in students. So we close that. Now let's come back here, and this is what we need to do. Now we need to create our key and our value. So I want to look at, and I want to grab the first letter. So it's going to be student, 0 index dot upper. I want to make it uppercase. Then, just like with our dictionary, we have our key separated by a colon with our value. Student. And that's it. And then let's come down here and print s.dict and run this. And lo and behold, here is a dictionary with a key of the first letter capitalized right here, and then the actual value being pulled from this list. And that is how we create a dictionary using dictionary comprehension. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos coming out every single day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.